This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
Alright, what's going on, y'all, and welcome to today's vlog. Actually about to go ahead and get the day started. It's a little bit later in the day, but the sun's about to actually start setting. I just want to kind of get some shots today. Plus, I want to unveil the huge surprise that I've been holding. Some of y'all have already guessed it. We are about to go to the first spot, though, to get some filming in for today, though. So, let's go. Alright, so we are at the first spot right now. The sun is trying to set. Probably going to wait just a little bit more till a golden hour, man. And try to get some really good shots. It's time for the surprise. Like I told you all, I've been waiting to unveil this for a while. I was originally going to do an unboxing video, but I felt like it would have been kind of a pointless video, so we're just kind of throwing it all in one, and time to show you guys the big surprise, man. And voila, y'all, I caved in and finally bought a real camera. So far, this camera is crazy. There's still a lot I need to learn, man. So if any of y'all have any suggestions or things like that that I would probably need to know, that would help me with my shots with this camera, man, please feel free to hit me in the comments. Man, DM me on Instagram or any of my social media, which I'll make sure I put down in the description. Like I said, I'm still learning about this camera, so I have a lot of stuff to read about, man. But so far, I love the quality of this versus obviously my iPhone and the GoPro. So I'm just gonna try and get a couple more shots, man. I got some of this new dope ass Legends Media merch in from Dustin, man. Thank you for that, bro. And a huge shout out, man, for the fast shipping. I will update you all once I am done. This thing as I go. It is crazy.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your party, I'll be here somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hollering I can hardly hear. Over this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here. Oh, here.
Alright, y'all, man, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, I had a whole bunch of surprises. That was just one of them. I actually went and got the second one today. That's actually right here in front of me. I'm really excited about this one too as well. And like I said, all these new additions are just to help make the channel better and make the production of what I'm doing so much better. You know, that way, you know, you can really see the quality in what I'm trying to put out. So like I said, you saw the camera, and I might as well go ahead and show you this surprise too. I did get a new desktop. I was originally going to get a laptop, but I just got a crazy deal. I'm actually watching an Evan Shanks video. It's pretty damn funny. And as y'all know, I was using this old MacBook. This is from like 2008. This thing's old, and that's what I've been using to originally make the videos. So yeah, I was definitely long overdue. Like I said, I was definitely long overdue for an upgrade. So yeah, man, those are the two surprises I had in store. By the time I drop the video, I'll have some. I've got a couple more things in store, or a couple more things to show you all. I actually got new parts ordered for the STI, so hopefully by the time this video drops, those will be here, so I can show you those. Got motor plans as well too. I know everybody's been asking about that. What, you know, how's the motor coming along and stuff like that. I'll be giving y'all an update on where I'm at with that. So if y'all liked what you saw today in today's video, just please give it a thumbs up, man. Drop a comment in the section below, and subscribe if you're not already tuned in, man, to get a part of the family. So thank y'all for watching today's video, man, and peace out.